like bacon? I sure do. I love my pig fat. I can't live without it. I have bacon in the morning, I have bacon cheeseburgers for lunch, and when I drive around all day in my pickup truck, I have me some jerky along for the ride. I need my meat. It's what makes me a man, right? Yeah, right. It's what makes us a man. But my damn doctor, he done say that if I keep eating this stuff, I'm gonna get me a heart attack. I don't want to get no heart attack because then I won't be able to drive my pickup truck. I just put all our life savings into this lift kit and the big tires. So I did me some thinking, I did me some research, and I figured out a way to make bacon without bacon. I use coconuts, and I know it sounds kind of sissy, but damn, it tastes good. I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's real easy.
Hell yeah.
Right? Yeah, you like it too.
Oh, man.
Yeah. Buford here, he likes pigs a little too much. All right, well, let me show you how to do this here. Now, there's two ways to get coconut. Obviously, you can buy them, like, not the hairy kind. I don't like the hairy kind. No, I like the smooth kind, you know what I mean? You can get yourself like a normal coconut like this and open it up and, you know, the cleaver, and then you open it up like a man does. You go, ugh, like that. And then you can scoop out the meat with a tablespoon like this. You can do this like that. This is the old way of doing it, but I'm going to show you how to do it anyway because we're very self-sufficient here. We like to do our own thing. Yeah, this brown stuff on the back, you want that. That's good. That's manly. Yeah, this is manly. You want that. All right, so this is what you do. So you got it all out in one piece, and you get a knife and you cut yourself some nice bacon-sized pieces like this. The brown spots are like bacon skin, like pieces of pig. I don't know how to describe it. It's just manly. That's one way to get your coconut meat. Another way is you just order it online and they send it to you. Like this stuff here, it's ready to go. This stuff's really good. It's you just thaw it out and it's all cleaned up and everything. All right, anyway, so here's what you do. You get yourself some soy sauce. What do them sissies call it? Show you, whatever that is. But there's no gluten, whatever that is. I have no idea. But anyway, you get 1 tablespoon of this stuff. And then you get yourself a half a teaspoon of chipotle. And then you get yourself a half a teaspoon of paprika. And then you just mix it up and smear it on the coconut meat. Like this. Bam, that's good. It already look good already, huh?
Yeah.
It doesn't look like bacon. It looked like real meat. Well, it is meat. It's coconut meat. Yeah, it's funny.
Paul gonna love this.
Yeah. All right, well, now that you got that done, you just put it on one of them trays that goes in that newfangled machine. What do they call that machine?
Newfangled warming box.
The newfangled warming box. Like a dehydrator or something like that. Anyway, I got me one right here in my tool shelf. So you put it in there and you set it for 118 degrees. Yeah.
That's about right.
Yeah, it's about right. Yeah, that's like, that's like 45 degrees Celsius for them European type people. Anyway, all right, so then you let this thing run for like 3 to 5 hours, right? I mean, yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I need me some bacon. Yeah. Oh man, look at this. Hot damn, that's good. Oh yeah, here, have yourself one. Damn, this looks like bacon. It tastes like bacon. This is amazing. It's all warm and everything. Yeah. Not only is it good, it's warm. Damn, this is better. This is better than pig.
It is better.
God damn, this is good.
Super hot.
I mean, we work in the garage all day, and you know this is all we need. Hell yeah! Check it out. Just put it in a jar like this. Then you got your food.
Anytime you want.
Yeah, that's right. You just grab it and go. You never have to stop at the tools. There you go. Here's your manly stuff. Yeah, down is good.
That is good.
Yeah, really good. They say this stuff is vegan. What's a vegan?
I mean, people that don't eat animals.
Oh yeah, like you. You love your piggies, but you don't eat them, right?
Right.
You know, what made America great is pickup trucks and pig fat, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What America needs more of is real men driving pickup trucks. Pickup trucks is what makes America great, right? Yeah. So if you can't have yourself some real pig fat, this is the next best thing. Yeah, you know, if you don't want a heart attack or something. This is the live forever kind of meat that they say, and it makes you kind of thin too, which is I guess that's all right. Yeah. Anyway.
Women.
Yeah. So you want the recipe? Go to veganbacon.com. That's veganbacon.com. There's that word again. Weird word. Anyway, check it out. Good. It's damn good. Damn good. Damn good. Yeah. Yeah, here, have yourself another one. Yeah.
This tastes and looks like bacon, but it's vegan and it's so easy to make. We are on national television because of it.
That's crispy, just like bacon. Wow.
It also makes great jerky. It's made from only 3 ingredients, and the recipe and the video are at veganbacon.com. But the real star of the video isn't the bacon. It turned out to be the crazy redneck showing how to make it.
I figured out a way to make bacon without bacon. Bam, that's good. It already look good already, huh? Yeah. It doesn't look like bacon. Hell yeah. Just put it in a jar. There you go. Here's your manly stuff. Yeah, down is good.
That is good.
Yeah, really good.
I shocked a lot of people last year when I released a picture of Kara with this guy. But people didn't realize that's me. I just dressed up like a redneck. And my friend Matt made himself look nasty too, and we had a blast making this video.
He wants to go to dinner like this.
Vegas.
We ate the whole thing almost.
Yeah, we did.
That's good.
Yeah.
Are you gonna stop?
Of course, no redneck is complete without a ridiculously huge, oversized pickup truck to show how manly he is.
What made America great is pickup trucks and pig fat, right? Yeah. What America needs more of is real men driving pickup trucks. Pickup trucks is what makes America great, right? Yeah.
So I created one in the computer and added it to the shot. All the backgrounds are computer generated, and I also created a logo for the imaginary show these guys have called Pickup Trucks and Pig Fat. And people actually thought it was a real show. Hilarious.
I don't want to get no heart attack because then I won't be able to drive my pickup truck. I just put all our life savings into this lift kit and the big tires.
And the wood on the table these guys work on is just cardboard I painted to look like wood. And of course the tattoos and the beard are fake. It's weird, I look at this guy and I don't even recognize myself. But you can't make a fake bacon video without a character like this.
Yeah, this brown stuff on the back, you want that. That's good, that's manly.
The lengths I go to inspire people to a healthier lifestyle.
Man, this is better. This is better than pig.
It is better.
God damn, this good.
Hot.
Most people are meat eaters and they look for things that look and taste like what they're used to when trying to transition to a healthier plant-based diet. So we try to help with that transition with our recipes and videos. We have all kinds of healthy meat substitutes in our plant-based cookbook. It's downright scary how much some of it looks like real meat. We even show how to make plant-based versions of deli meat. The bacon recipe and video is at
veganbacon.com. That's veganbacon.com. There's that word again. Weird word.
The vegan deli meat is, of course, at vegandelimeat.com, and the cookbook with everything in it is at healthycookbook.com.
It's damn good. Damn good. Damn good. Yeah, here, have yourself another one. Yeah. We just stay in the garage all day now.
All right, work all day, work all night.
Hot damn.